Mesa Trends. Ayan, at ang mag-aasikaso sa atin. Sir, pakilala ka na, sir. Ang gwapong si sir.
Hello, my dear. Mr. Edwin, thank you very much for coming over. Tapos, if i-feature kami sa vlogging page nyo, sa YouTube channel nyo. My name is Johnny. I am one of the owners of Asia Trends Import and Export Corporation. I am actually our company is responsible for bringing Moretti vehicles po dito sa Pilipinas. We have been in the industry our family business has been in the industry already for almost 5 decades na. I was born and raised here in the Philippines. That's why medyo marunong ako mag-Tagalog at saka sa Bisaya kasi galing Davao po ako. And I relocated to Manila early part of 2000, year 2000 po. So anyway, going back to our business, the Moretti e-vehicles is basically one of our newest product line. We have it manufactured overseas and we import it dito po sa Pilipinas. If you look at Moretti po, if you look for Moretti sa Google or sa Facebook or something, you can see basically Moretti is a brand registered po under our company. So we are very focused on bringing in electric vehicles lower than 1 million pesos. So we have vehicles starting at 499,000 pataas. And then we have a 549,000 peso vehicle and we have a 799,000 peso vehicle. God willing, we are right now working on a certain model and it's going to be at 399,000 po. Yun po yung magiging starting price natin. It's basically a small 4-door vehicle. Yung speed po niya is medyo mabagal, 30 to 35 kilometers per hour. Pero, guys, at the end of the day, sa Pilipinas, alam naman natin na dahil sa traffic, swerte na siguro tayo sa 25 to 30 kilometers per hour. So, yung 399 basically is a decent small car, 4-door car, which basically 4 people can sit naman po comfortably. So, again, it's a city driving car wherein you can take your kids to school, you go to work, you come home, yung parang daily use, going to groceries, going to the gym, that's the kind. If somebody's gonna ask me, sir, pwede ba tong dalhin sa Gapan? Pwede ba tong dalhin sa Pangasinan? The answer is no. The vehicles come with either the lead acid or the lithium batteries. Yung lead acid is just like the Amaron or the Motolite that you get over here. But of course, the lithium batteries are always the better option. Mas mahaba po talaga yung range nun. Now, whether lead acid or lithium, all of our ranges is in the range of 90 to 100 for lead acid, 90 to 100 kilometers. Mas mahaba po talaga yung lithium, 138 kilometers po. That's basically for the Conserva. I would love to take you
sir,
and give you an idea.
Kanina, nasilip ko na yung mga ikar mo dyan. Napakagaganda.
Thank you.
At saka pati mga kulay niya, forma, astig, no?
Thank you.
At pwede rin pang chicks, sir, no? Joke lang.
Hindi ko naisip yun na. Yung pang chicks na yan. Pero at the end of the day, syempre, we're doing this for a business. So, ito naman si Moretti Conserva.
Moretti Conserva, sir.
Yes. Ito yung logo natin, you know. Basically, it's also made by our own people dito. And this is the Moretti Conserva. This is our high-speed vehicle. No?
High-speed vehicle, sir.
Ang ibig sabihin ng high-speed vehicle is expressway legal po siya kasi 100 to 110 kilometers per hour po yung kanyang speed. I have test-driven it myself. My automotive engineers have also, you know, done their test driving and all of that. And you're most welcome to come over to have a test drive of this Conserva. It's 4 doors. You know, so sir, it's a 4-door vehicle.
Yes, sir. Sir, ano po ba specs nito bago natin i-drive, sir?
Yeah, basically this is powered by a 29 kilowatt motor. And this is fully power windows po siya, tsaka fully air conditioned po siya.
Okay, sir.
You know, and yeah, it's basically your perfect city driving car kasi 4-door siya. And you know, and
na siya, sir,
just in case if you're just a single guy or a single girl who would like to have their partner na sabay kayo together, you want to bring your family, your parents, or you want to bring, let's say, 1 or 2 kids with you, or just a few friends with you, this is your perfect car.
Sir, yung mga ilaw ba nito, sir? Mga LED na, sir?
Yes.
Tapos ang gulong nito, sir, anong size?
R13 po yung gulong natin.
Ayan, R13, no?
Pero ito po yung charging natin.
Okay, yan yung charging, no?
Yes.
Ayun, no? Galing, no?
So basically, ang charging natin, I'd like to see if my vehicle, if the vehicle has the charger. Pero the good thing is, ito you can just connect it to your 220 volt na outlet.
Ayun.
Ganun lang ka simple. You don't need to look for a specific charging station. You don't have to go to SM. Your regular 220 volt na sinaksakan nyo ng TV or ng
Washing
pang-charge ng
machine.
cellphone, ng washing machine, that's basically where you charge this vehicle. So this is all of our vehicles po are like that. You can do that there.
Ayun. Sir, pwede ba natin makita yung loob nito, sir?
Yes, come. Come.
Dahil ngayon, sir, the future of vehicle is electric
The
na
future
talaga, sir,
is electric, pare.
Ayan. Wow, ang ganda, sir, ha? Forma pa lang nung mga upuan talagang...
Well, actually, pare, all these seats naman kasi, naglagay na po kami ng seat cover dito.
Ayun.
Now, naglagay din tayo ng parang dash cover din dito.
Ayun.
That's why medyo it looks a little better, looks a little neat. Yes.
Ang lapad din nung harap, sir, no? Pwede magpatong ng kung ano-anong gamit.
Yes,
Tapos,
yes.
sir, up to 4...
Up to 4 people, 5 people, kaya naman. Pag medyo cute yung tao, edi, you can put 3 or 4 people sa loob. Pero pag medyo malalaki na, edi,
Ayan.
reduces accordingly.
Pero, sir, sakto lang siya, hindi siya ganong sa tuhod sa tingin ko, sir.
No. Ako pare, I'm 6-footer. No?
Yes,
so, anyway, I'm gonna sit down in the car.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, papakita ni sir.
Sige, okay. I'm gonna sit down here.
Nakita ko yung niya, no, yung distansya niya, malawak.
6-footer na ako pare, ha?
Oo, 6-footer na si sir.
6-footer.
Oo, kasi may nakita akong iba, sir, para ang sikip eh. Pero
Yes,
ito
yes.
ang luwag.
Yes.
Ayan.
Workable naman.
Ayan. Pati
So,
sa driver, hindi niya kailangan masyadong umusog.
let's go in front and see kung
Okay, sir. Tignan na natin, no? I-drive test ni sir. O natin, ayan. Ayun, no? Sa laki mo, sir, ha? Talagang kasya ka pa.
Kasya. So, in fairness, what do you call this? Yung average height naman dito sa Pilipinas is a little less than 6-footer naman. So, swakto siya dito. Swakto siya dito. Okay?
Tapos ito, sir, yan yung mga aircon yan lang.
Yes. So, I'm gonna go to the other side. I'm gonna turn
sir.
the air condition
Oo,
on.
sir, ikaw muna. Di ko baka bisado yan, sir.
No problem. We'll give you a chance to have that test drive later.
Ayun, thank you, sir. Ayan, itetest drive natin ni Sir Johnny. Ayan, para makita nyo kung gaano ka-astig, kalupit itong Moretti nila. Si Moretti Conserva, sir, no?
Moretti Conserva, yes.
Ayan, i-on muna.
Ayun, naka-on na palang aircon.
Ayan, pag-on pala, sir, mag-on na rin yung mga panel niya.
Yes. As you can see, 80+% yung charge niya.
Yes,
And then makikita mo rin yung range dito. It's
okay.
120 kilometers po yung charge niya.
Ayan, 100 na to, sir, no?
Yes.
Tapos ano yung
87 to pare. 87.
87%.
And this is 120 kilometers yung kasi hindi siya full charge eh.
Yun. Ibig sabihin, sir, 120 kilometers pang kaya niyang takbuhin.
Yes.
Galing.
Yes.
Tapos ano tong 2068, sir?
Yan yung total takbo natin. Kasi pare, we've been blessed with a lot of people who would like to check out the Conserva. So marami nagta-test drive.
Ayun.
And syempre yung ginawa namin is we let our employees test drive the car during the initial stages para at least makita rin nila yung they will be able to give us their own assessment on kung kumusta ba tong Conserva natin.
Ayun.
So far so good naman.
Ito yung odometer, sir.
Odometer, yes.
Tapos itong trip na to, sir,
That can be reset naman.
nare-reset siya.
Yes.
So dito naman yung pagtatakbo ka na.
Yes.
Speedometer.
Speedometer, yan.
Okay. Ayan. Ano pa meron dyan, sir? Ayan.
So this is reverse.
Reverse, pag atras
So,
ka.
atras.
Ayun, kita pala yung likod, no?
Kita ang likod, yes.
Kita yung
May baldi. Moretti baldi. And then, ito naman yung
Neutral.
drive natin.
Ayan, drive.
Ito naman si Eco.
Ano yung eco, sir?
Basically, I think there are other vehicles naman who also provide the same thing, yung parang economic driving.
Okay.
So this definitely helps increase the range of the vehicle, no? So some of ito naman yung regular drive natin.
Okay.
Kung sa cellphone pa, kung sa iPhone pa, ito yung low power mode.
Yun.
Or eco mode. Ito naman yung si
Ayun.
regular battery mode.
Parang kumbaga sa e-bike, sir, may speed 1, 2,
Yes.
and 3. Ayan.
Yes. So the good thing about the electric car is, of course, this is relatively new to me also. Alam niyo naman that when you start the car, normally may parang starting siya, 'di ba?
Yes, sir.
So today, this is your key. You put this here. We'll be having keyless models also available in the future. Put here. on na yung kotse.
Ayun, ganun lang pala kasimple.
The
On na.
only thing you're going to hear is basically the aircon.
Okay. Yan yung pag-on ng aircon.
Yes.
Yan, bali tatlo pala yung nilalabasan na aircon.
1, 2, 3, and 4 dito.
Doon pa, pang-apat.
Yes.
Lakas
You know? So, and ito, drive na to ha. So technically, I can already drive.
Okay, sir.
Diba? So you have this.
Okay. Sir, bali dyan sa paanan, ano naman ang makikita dyan?
You have the accelerator here.
Okay, accelerator.
And then you have the brakes.
Okay, parang sa sasakyan din
And
na
then ito yung
regular.
handbrakes. Ito yung foot brakes natin.
Foot brake.
Yes.
Yan, let's go.
Let's go.
Testing na natin yung power steering pa, sir.
Power windows. pare.
Power windows.
Ito naman power steering tayo.
Ayun, power steering.
Ay nako, the brakes are on pala.
Yan.
That's it pare.
Parang safety brake pala yun,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Swabe. Swabe yung takbo, Tsaka
I will
wala
ask
talagang
my-
katunog-tunog.
I will ask my guys to open the door, the gate for us, para we can go out and see what the world has to offer.
Ayun.
Diba?
Yan, testing na namin ni Sir Johnny yung kanyang Moretti na
Kanyang Moretti.
ayun, natawag pa kami sa traffic Ayan. Bali sir, anong Old Santa Mesa ba to? MAPA
This is
extension.
MAPA pare.
Ayan. Kaya kung magpupunta kayo, dito lang sa MAPA extension.
Yes.
Malapit lang sila sa Don Bosco High
Yes.
School ba yun, sir?
Don Bosco School pare.
Don Bosco School. Ayan.
Okay, so I am going to press the foot pedal para ma-lift yung brakes and we can already be on the road.
Ayun.
This is a it's a regular car. The difference is electric to as compared to gas cars and diesel cars. At the end of the day, gas cars and diesel cars, nothing wrong with them. I believe, syempre, they are a tried and tested technology. Electric cars are relatively new in the market. It's just been, in the world for a few years. Medyo malakas na talaga siya sa Europe. Medyo malakas na talaga siya sa, sa US and many other countries also. Philippines is basically playing the catch-up game. Pero okay lang. We're trying our best naman to see what we can do to expedite that. Because at the end of the day, although binabalewala lang natin yung environment as compared to sobrang awareness lang talaga sa Europe at saka sa US wherein they want to have a cleaner air and an environment that is a much better legacy to leave to your kids. Tayo wala we don't really have that awareness, pero hopefully with the electric revolution, more and more people are going to be aware of it. So again, this is just a regular car. It has an accelerator, it has brakes, it has all that. Na ano man yung meron sa automatic na kotse. This is automatic, it's not manual. So there's no first gear, second gear, third gear. It basically automatically switches gears internally. All right? Now, there's a lot of people who basically ask, pwede ba ito idala sa Pangasinan or sa Baguio or sa Gapan and all of these, these areas na medyo talagang malayo, no? So, guys, kaya naman, I mean, right now, this is the Conserva C1. Yung full range niya is 138 kilometers, no? Meron tayong C2 na you can go as much as 330 kilometers bawat full charge. Sa C1, it takes about 6 to 8 hours to charge, no, with using your regular 220 volt na outlet. Tapos yung C2 naman, dahil 332 kilometers siya, maybe close to 9 to 10 hours po yung charging time. So it costs barely about 120 to 130 pesos sa pagcha-charge ng isang Conserva C1. And guys, right now, I own a Toyota Vios, I own a Toyota Innova. I spend an average of 2,000 to 2,500 pesos a week. I love my Toyota Innova, I love my Vios. I think, they're very good cars. But unfortunately, electric is the way to go because I want to save money. And a lot of people want to save money. It's the idea is medyo talagang mahalin na yung mga bilhan natin. So any form of saving is also a form of earning. So dahil doon, I am you can consider me as an advocate of electric. Over the next 1 year, I'm going to be replacing all of my vehicles. Between me and my younger brother, we have close to 25 to 30 vehicles. Delivery vehicles, sales people's vehicles, may mga motor po kami na gas ang ginagamit. Our other vehicles also use gas and diesel. So, I'm looking forward to replacing it within a year or two. Bulk of our cars are coming by the end of September or October. We've placed a decent amount of units for Conservas. They're right now under production as we speak. Right now it's July of 2023. So within a couple of weeks, ready na po yung production natin. We have an overseas team which takes care of quality control inspection. Inspect lang namin yung kotse, ship out na natin dito, and we should be already able to already supply to people who wanna invest into electric vehicles and save money on a regular basis. So imagine I live in BGC in Taguig, and ang office ko is basically in Santa Mesa. So between here papunta sa between both of those two locations, 14 kilometers siya, guys. So kung 14 kilometers siya, 50 na lang natin for easier computation. So it means going and coming, I go to work in the morning and I come back in the evening, 30 kilometers. So if the Conserva runs, the C1 runs at 138 kilometers, edi ang ibig sabihin nun, 30 times 4 is 120, edi I only charge once every 3 days or once every 4 days.
Wow, nakatipid sila.
And every charge, pare, is 120 to 130 pesos. As compared to, right now, yung gastos ko sa Innova ko is anywhere from 1,500 to 2,500 pesos per week. So with gasoline prices right now running at 50, 55, 60 pesos per liter, with diesel prices basically running at around the same price, it's a very, very big savings for me. Literally almost 1/4 the price, or maybe even more. So that's why electric is the way to go, and we're looking forward talagang to help our fellow Filipinos, kapwa Pinoy natin, para mag-save ng money and save the environment as well at the same time.
That's good, sir.
Yeah.
Ayan, bali sir, anong specs po nito, sir?
The specs is 29 kilowatts siya, yung motor natin dito. Yung batteries niya is basically lithium batteries.
Wow, lithium na.
Lithium na siya. Basically just like what you use in your cell phones is what you use also in the car. 3 years yung warranty natin for this. Our price for the C1 is 799,000. Yung 138 kilometer range natin. Tapos yung ating C2 na 330 kilometer range, basically yung presyo po natin doon is 999,000. Now, normal down payment naman talaga ng kailangan ng bangko is 20%, pero syempre from time to time we have special all-in down payments naman po. So you can always be in touch. You can go to our Facebook page, Moretti PH, and chat with our friendly sales executives, and they will tell you on what are our promotions available. We always have new promotions naman po every month. So yes.
Yes, ang tanong, sir, pwede ba to sa index, sir? Itong si Conserva?
Yes, this is 100 to 110 kilometers yung speed. If I'm not yung kanyang speed niya is 110 kilometers per hour. 100 kilometers per hour is no problem. And as far as I know, yung speed naman talaga na minimum na kailangan is 60 kilometers per hour ata pataas eh. So, that's according to Google, no? Pero syempre, if it's 80, if it's 90, no problem. Kayang-kaya ni Conserva po yun. So, there are, again, I just want to talk about people who would like to get this car, and they always ask me kung pwede ba to mag-akyat sa Baguio and all of that. Absolutely yes, kaya naman po niya. Pero the objective of Moretti is to really come up with low-priced electric vehicles, electric cars, which is really primarily used for city driving talaga. BGC to Santa Mesa to Makati to Novaliches to Pasay, that kind of life, pick up your kids from school, go to work, come back home, go to the gym,
The
eat
market,
outside.
sir, the market, no?
O, diba? Palengke. Yan talaga yung pick up your groceries, dump it at the back. Yan talaga yung parang goal ni Moretti. Yung parang daily living ba?
Yun,
Diba? So,
sir.
if all of a sudden you want to go for a 7-hour to an 8-hour drive, and it's like 500 to 600 kilometers, pare, the Moretti is not for that. The Conserva is not for that. Kaya naman kung sa kaya, pero syempre kung 138 kilometers ka lang, yung range mo, syempre you have to charge along the way. No? And each charge, it's basically 6 to 8 hours.
6 to 8 hours lang.
Yes.
Sir. Ayan.
Ma-charge mo na yung buong 130, 140 kilometers. 138 kilometers mo, ma-full charge na yan. We have other vehicles coming very soon, wherein may fast charging option na tayo. Ito yung charging ng parang less than 1 hour, pwede mo na ma-charge yung vehicle mo.
Mabilisan, sir.
Mabilisan na.
Fast charger.
Fast charging. Kumbaga, yan na yung hindi pwede yung sa 220 volt outlet kasi you need to have a charging station.
Ayun.
A DC charging station na po siya. Yung outlet kasi natin, it's basically an AC charging AC charging outlet eh. So talagang AC lang, yung parang 220 volt outlet lang talaga siya. Pero pag fast charging yung kailangan, di DC charging station na yun. Yung parang malaki na parang kahon.
Parang gasolinahan.
Parang gasolinahan. Yes. Yun.
Ayan, sir, ibig sabihin, sir, marami ka pang paparating na mga model, units,
Yes,
bukod dito kay Conserva.
Yes. We have...
Bukod pa dun sa 6 na nakita kong naggagandahan, sir.
Yes. Thank you for that, my dear. We have right now a total of 7 vehicles. Pero yung total family po namin for this year is going to be around 12 to 14 vehicles, boss. So, right now, may mga 2 or 3 vehicle tayo na 100 kilometers per hour. May mga mid-speed vehicles po tayo between 55 to 75 kilometers per hour. Ang presyo po natin doon is anywhere from 599 to 699,000.
Wow, 599 ha. Meron ka ng aircon na car.
Yes.
At
All our
branded,
vehicles
sir,
are power windows at saka fully air conditioned po siya.
power windows.
Yes, and another thing with our yung 45 to 50 kilometers per hour na vehicles natin at saka yung 55 to 70 kilometers na vehicle natin, all of them come with a distance expanding or distance extending gas module. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Parang hybrid na kung tutuusin. So for example, if your battery is talagang 10 to 15-20% na lang, pwede natin switch on itong distance extending gas module natin para siya na yung magcha-charge sa baterya, and then our battery will continue charging and we can continue driving.
Wow. Ibig sabihin, sir, backup.
Yes, backup siya.
In case napalobat ka, pwede mong gamitin yun.
Yes. And the good thing is, parang di gasolina, right? It's like, basically nasa hood siya. You open your hood, you open yung parang 12-liter tank or 3-liter tank, whatever, may iba-ibang capacity kasi yon. Lagyan natin ng gasolina sa loob, tuloy-tuloy siya.
Ayun,
So, every vehicle, 499, 549, 599,000, between that range, meron na tayong backup na distance extending gas module po.
Distance extending module.
Yes, distance extending gas module.
Gas module.
So talagang gasolina po yung ilalagay natin doon.
Wala ka na palang worry, sir, pag gano'n.
Yes, wala nang worry. Itong si Conserva, boss, hindi natin pwedeng ilagyan to ng gas module na yon. It's just built different, no?
Okay.
Pero yung ibang kotse natin na anywhere from 45 kilometers per hour to 70-75 kilometers per hour,
Pwede
libre
siya.
na po yung gas module natin na yun.
Wow.
Para maging hybrid na po yung kotse.
Sir, ang tanong, sir, kayo po ba ang sasagot sa pagpaparehistro nito sa LTO?
Yes, all our prices are inclusive of LTO registration.
Wow.
At saka 1 year na comprehensive insurance.
Ayun, ayos pala.
So-
Wala na sila
so-
magiging problema, sir.
Yes. So we take care of everything. Siyempre kami yung brand owners. So ang ibig sabihin nun, we maintain the spare parts and whatever that is. So siyempre, alam naman natin guys na long term po yung negosyo na to. So siyempre, we maintain spare parts of everything. We can take care of repairs for everything. And guys, just like a car or just like an appliance, in the course of time, masisira talaga yan. Okay? Kung masisira siya, there's always, hindi, like for example, may problema ito. You have this either repaired or replaced. May problema ito. You have it either repaired or replaced. Hindi ibig sabihin na kung may problema ito or may problema yung yung iba't mga parte ng vehicle, wala na. Vegetable na yung yung sasakyan mo. Walang ganun, no? You simply either repair the part or replace the part that is affected. And syempre, Moretti has long-term plans for the Philippine market. So, we will definitely do more or whatever it takes para ma-protect natin yung reputation, and we take care of our customers to the best way that we can.
Ayan sir, ang top speed nito sir, hanggang saan umaabot to?
Actually, yung dinideclare talaga namin is 100 kilometers per hour, pero yung mga automotive engineers namin, nag-test drive na sila nito, talagang nag-abot siya ng 110 eh.
Wow, 110 sir
110. And look at this. This is all traffic for you.
Oo. Kaya nga sir, hindi natin masubok eh, no? Para mapakita natin sa kanila.
Yun din. And at the same time, what I'm trying to share is, akala natin na yung Olivo, yung Albero, yung Madara, yung ibang mga modelo ng Moretti na vehicles natin, 45 kilometers, parang tingin nyo mabagal. That's what I also thought when I first developed these lines of vehicles, no? So, initially, I wasn't going to import those vehicles. Pero yun nga, looking at this, so look at this. It's traffic. Right now, pero look at this.
Yes, oh.
Okay?
Ayan,
So, today,
bumper to bumper sir.
sa Pilipinas, pare, swerte na tayo sa 20, 25, 30 kilometers per hour.
Lalo
swerte
sa
na tayo doon.
Metro Manila sir.
Lalo na
no?
Metro Manila, and not just Metro Manila. I'm from Davao. I'm originally from Davao. I was born and raised there. Traffic can also be very bad there. And go to Laguna, go to Cavite. Siyempre, paminsan nagpupunta ako doon para mag-business trip. Wow, pare. Traffic can be really bad. And again, Moretti is not your drag racing vehicle.
Tama sir.
Right? We're not going to be competing in those drag races which all the other brands, No, we're basically the car for everyone.
Yes, for the family, for the business.
Yes, family, business, yung daily life ba, daily living ba,
Tama,
diba?
tama.
So that's already 95 to 99% of the population dito sa Pinas. Ilang porsyento ba yung nagda-drag race? Diba? Ilang porsyento ba yung
Baka
yung
2% lang sir.
Yeah. Maybe even lesser, diba? So again, we're really the daily car, and again, if you are looking for vehicles which can do 600, 700 kilometer range, di kausapin mo na si Tito Elon, diba? Yung tito ko na si Tito Elon,
Si Sir
diba?
Elon, no? Yung inventor, no?
Exactly, Teslas and all, and you have
Tesla also.
all these other guys. And obviously, if you have the millions to spend, like 2 million, 3 million, 5 million, 7 million, then
okay.
obviously, then those are the cars that you should invest in because you got the money. But again, even for people who have the money, from the practical point of view, you'd rather just go Moretti.
Yes.
Mga ahente ko, I have people who are sales executives. Ito yung ibibigay ko sa kanila. I have a 2-door vehicle na si Emero, which is also going to be coming by the end of September and early part of October. That's a 2-door vehicle which can also go as much as 100 kilometers per hour. That's perfect for my salespeople. They just have to go visit the client, bring a bag or two of samples to show. Pare, swak na.
Tama sir. Pang-araw-araw na buhay ng Pilipino.
Pare, pang-araw-araw. And I spend hundreds of thousands of pesos on gasoline and diesel expenses. I'm about to wipe that off because of electric vehicles.
Halos kalahati talaga matitipid mo rito.
Halos 25% pare. 1/4. So today, initially, Moretti was a concept na talagang para sa negosyo ko lang. Para sa negosyo lang namin magkapatid. Wherein we just replace our existing vehicles and replace the hundreds of thousands of bills to a few tens of thousands na lang. Pero since we're doing it for ourselves, why not we make it into a full-fledged business and also supply dito sa Philippine market natin?
Yun, tama sir. No? Dahil ngayon sir, no, the future of vehicle is electric na.
The future is electric. And we will help the future by making it electric.
Ayun, at isa na rito yung Moretti na ambition ay makatulong sa ganun sir. No?
Yes. Makatulong sa pamilya namin at saka sa pamilya sa labas pa.
Ayun, tama. Talagang pusong Pinoy ton si sir.
Ako, charot.
Kita mo naman sir yung mga e-bike, e-trike, di ba? Mga e-car.
Yes. That's happening.
Na talaga, naghahanap na sila ng kuryente na talaga.
Yes.
Pati mga bisikleta, kinakabitan na ng baterya.
Yes. Absolutely.
At ngayon, yung mga gusto na nakakotse, sundo sa school, palengke, mall, ito na.
Ito na.
Sa totoo lang sir, kanina pa kita inuntad mo, giniginaw na ako
Sige,
Ang lakas ng aircon, no? Hindi, pinaalam ko lang sa kanila sir, no? Kala nila mahina aircon. Ang lakas, grabe, no? Ayan.
Baba natin yung aircon pare.
Ayan, binabaan tuloy ni sir. Ayan. Pinuri ko lang na may aircon.
No problem.
Sabi, ganun. Ayan sir,
Kasi parang nasa Pilipinas tayo. Alam naman natin na Pilipinas, tropical country yan. Hindi naman, we're not Baguio everywhere.
Yes, tama sir, no?
Baguio has amazing weather in December, January, February. Talagang cold, you know. But unfortunately, dito sa Manila and many parts of the country, it's not cold. It's really hot.
Tama sir.
Diba? It's like 30 degrees yung average temperature natin all year round, no? Paminsan during the heats of the yung parang summer pa, 35 siya, 40 degrees pa, diba? So, can get nasty pare.
Ayan, nandito pagpasok nyo sa Sanchez, ito, bali MAPA extension to sir, no?
Yes.
Katabi sila ng Barangay 601
Barangay 601.
Don Bosco High School.
Yes.
Ayan, nandito na kami na sir, no? Wow, galing ng travel namin, no? Ayan sir, invite mo na sila sir kung kailangan nila itong ganitong napakagandang sasakyan.
Firstly, Edwin, thank you very much for featuring us. We really appreciate it. Hopefully, when we get together next time, you'll get a chance to feature our other vehicles also. We are Asia Trends Import and Export Corporation. Dito po kami sa Santa Mesa, Manila. Our landmarks are Illumina Residences and Don Bosco School and Barangay 601. My name is Johnny, and our goal as Moretti is to basically help the Philippine population, help ourselves, and help the Philippine population save money, save the environment, bring down our gas bills and diesel bills or fuel expenses by about 75 to 80%. So, very good lineup po natin for business, for daily life, etc. etc. So we obviously offer humble cash discounts, and we also offer low down payments and monthly amortizations po. So feel free to come over. We have many Jeeps for test driving. We have mini pickups. We have a 4-door pickup. We have a 2-door pickup. And we have hatchbacks, and we have more models coming soon. So the good thing about Moretti is you can build your drive. We have some regular colors which are available, but actually you can work with my sales team and customize your colors also. So some cars we have in stock, and some cars which you would like us to manufacture in your color, no problem, kaya din natin yun. Pero yun nga, since it's a manufactured to order na kotse para sa inyo, talagang built to make para sa inyo, edi 90 to 120 days po siya bago makarating dito sa Pilipinas. Yung production time is about less than 30 days. Since we're having it imported from overseas, 30 days po yung 2 weeks to ship, 1 week to 2 weeks to clear customs, and mga basic formality na documentation na kailangan ng mga iba't ibang government agency dito sa Pilipinas. So I think 90 days to 120 days is already a very safe time to commit to our valued customers yung mga gusto nilang customized or made to order na kotse. But yes, we are Moretti, and just in case if you have any questions, feel free to say hello to us sa Moretti Facebook page natin. We're there naman, hindi naman kami 24 hours, pero 9 to 6 kami, Monday to Saturday. And then from time to time, Sunday, nagre-reply din ako kasi it's always fun to understand the questions of our customers na magkano ba yung mga basic questions like magkano siya, kumusta ba yung savings ng fuel as compared to electricity, magkano yung down payment, can we make the down payment a little more lower. So we have multiple schemes naman po available. So inviting all of you to check us out sa Facebook page natin. MorettiPH.com is also available. A lot of our models are there. And we have more stuff coming. We have buses coming. We have Jeeps coming, and we have also our own motorbikes coming. So yes, a lot of things are in store for Moretti. So let's go Moretti.
Yan, thank you sir. God bless po.
God bless. Thank you.
Grabe, ang sarap i-drive. Grabe, bibili ko bukas 3 nito. Yan, no? Drive neutral. Yan mga kagala, no, kung pupunta kayo rito sa Asia Trends at mag-a-avail kayo ng Moretti, ito lang yung lugar na tatandaan nyo, no? Kaya si Sir Ryan. Sir Ryan, anong lugar ba po?
Dito po is P. Sanchez Street po.
P. Sanchez Street,
Yes.
to.
Papunta pong Kalentong. Then yung mga landmark po namin is yung Lumina Hotel, Lumina
Ito,
Condominium po.
Yan yung
And Don Bosco High School po.
Don
Yes
Bosco
po.
School, saka yung barangay na yan.
Barangay 601 po.
Barangay 601.
Yes po.
Then
And
ito, papuntang...
Ito naman po is papuntang Magsaysay Boulevard po. Papuntang SM Santa Mesa po.
Ayun. Bale, ayun, makikita nyo na si Asia Trends. Ayan. Thank you, sir.